Здравствуйте, good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning. Today we will discuss briefly again domestic electric circuits. This is second part today. First part I explained. This is second part. Also I will explain another part. Very important. Very important. Board point of view. It is very important. Please know about it very well. It is very important for bright future, bright career. Domestic electric circuit. Regarding this, see, especially in India. I am discussing about India, only India. This is India. I means India. Means we can say here. In India, there is 4 wires which comes from powerhouse. 4 wire. 4 wires comes from powerhouse. See, means current current come through wire. Especially in India, there is a 4 wire which is connected with pole. 4 wire connected to a pole. You can see easily, practically in India, 4 wires. This is first wire, this is second wire, this is third wire, this is fourth wire. There is 4 wires here. Next question. Next question here. This is pole, this is wire. 4 wires. Is there voltage? Is there potential? Is there voltage in this wire? We should reply yes. Here voltage, yes. And another wire, yes. Here another wire, yes. But in one wire, we can say in fourth wire, there is no voltage. Voltage zero. Voltage zero. No voltage. Here, I am discussing about domestic electric circuit. There is a pole, 4 wires connected with a pole. First wire having voltage, second wire having voltage, third wire having voltage, and fourth wire don't have voltage. Means here voltage zero. Why zero? The very lovely question. Why potential difference is zero? Then we should reply, because in powerhouse there is earthing. Through earthing, via earthing, we make zero. So here we say neutral, because there is no current, no voltage. That is why neutral. Why neutral? Why there is no voltage in this wire? We should reply what? In powerhouse, we make its voltage zero through earthing. Very good. This word earthing I will explain in another video. See here, first wire having voltage, second wire voltage, no voltage. We should know very well, very important for career, for future. Next, there are 4 wires. Should I mark or identify with some letter? Like we say here, this is red for our identification. We suppose that this is red, this is blue, this is yellow, and this is neutral. Okay. For identification, we suppose that this wire is red, this is blue, this is yellow, and this is already neutral. Next, there is a very big question, very popular, very lovely question. If we apply voltmeter, why voltmeter? To measure the voltage between this and this, then we find there is a voltage. Means I am saying that take voltmeter. Voltmeter. Why voltmeter? To measure potential difference. Then we find between these two wires, if we connect voltmeter, we find 410 volt. 410 volt. Red and blue. Between red and blue, there is a potential difference 410 volt. Next, and also we apply voltmeter between blue and white. Means we can say there is a two wire, there is a blue, yellow, and we apply voltmeter. We found also 410 volt. 410 volt. Next, this is yellow. If we apply red and yellow, here if we will connect voltmeter to red and yellow, also we find 410 volt. 410 volt. Red and yellow. 410 volt. This is red and yellow. We apply voltmeter. We found 410 volt. 410 volt. Okay. Next. Further, can we apply red and neutral? Can we apply blue and neutral? Can we apply yellow and neutral to know voltage? Yes. Again we take voltmeter and we connect with red and neutral. We found 220 volt. 220 volt. 220 volt. Red and neutral. 220 volt. 220 volt. Here, can we apply blue and neutral? Yes. Also we found 220 volt. Can we apply yellow and neutral? Yes. Also we will found 220 volt. Here 220 volt. 220 volt. There is a very lovely question. Where these four wires use? Then we should reply red, blue, yellow and neutral. These four wires are here. Also we can say this is red, blue, yellow. This is phase. This is phase. We say this is phase. This wire phase 1, 2, 3 phase, and this is neutral. Then where these three phase and neutral use, then we should apply in industry. There is a industry, and there are a lot of company in which there is a one popular company, Uflex Limited. Uflex Limited in India. Uflex Limited. Uflex Limited in UP, India. Then all these four wires used by Uflex Limited, very good and very popular company of India in flexible packaging. Flexible packaging, very popular, the best company. Then why these four wires gone to Uflex? Because in industry company needs more voltage, 410 like this. So we give to industry, and this is very dangerous for our home. That is why we use 220 volt only. One phase, one neutral, one phase, one neutral, either one phase or one neutral. One phase, one neutral. Anyone, not all three. In our home, which wires we use? Not all. For all, Uflex Limited and other company, they use. Here one name Uflex Limited. That is very popular company. Very popular industry. Very popular industry. This all four wires gone to company. And the rest, if we want to use for our domestic purpose, home purpose, in that case, select anyone in one phase, red, neutral. We can use red neutral, or we can use blue neutral, or we can use yellow neutral. Not all. take only one wire of this phase and neutral. It then if someone need supply in his home, in that case, electrician, what they do, only one wire this take and neutral, or this blue neutral or yellow neutral, and give connection to our home. Why? Because there is a potential difference 220 volt. 220 volt not dangerous as compared to 410 volt. That is why electrician give to our home only one and this, only one and this. Means finally two wires come to our home. That wires may be red neutral or blue neutral or yellow neutral. This is also domestic electric circuits. See, in next part we will discuss about again domestic electric circuits. Domestic electric circuit in next part, next video. That will be very good for both point of view. Also this information should know very well. Every student should know this video and previous video. Very important. If you want to achieve to get to, if you want to gain this goal, NEET, IIT, JEE, then you should know all basic concept. All basic concept will support you very well. Thank you very much for watching such video. Thank you very much. Thank you. 10 विधानियां 10 ले दी उसी वीडियो.